Hi guys, welcome back to Rev Solution. Today you join me on a ride up to my local cafe. I'm going to be getting a coffee, catch up with a friend, but also just want to bring your attention to this Aoocci car Apple Android device that I have purchased recently from Aoocci. No, I did purchase it from Aoocci, but I got it with Richie Vida's discount code, and also I got it with Black Friday sales. So this was, I think, nearly £200, just about 220 US dollars, and I got it for an eye-watering amount of £129 posted. It's really, really good. I like it. Although I have had some issues with the screen. You can see there's a couple of really bright spots just on the screen. Just there. So yeah, I have got in touch with Aoocci, and credit to them, they have said, "Yep, no problem at all. We'll send you out a new display. Send this one back, and we will send you a new one." Now, I totally get it. They don't want to be, dude, it's a 40-mile-an-hour zone. Why are you up my chaff? Yeah, so they don't want to be sending out more displays when they don't get them returned. I totally get that. However, I've got a couple of big trips planned for the next couple of weeks, and ideally I want this. I don't want to be using my phone. So yeah, it kind of would. What is that guy playing at? He came racing up my backside and then disappeared. Anyway, yeah, I don't really want to be using my phone. I want to use the Aoocci and just crack on with that. Now, obviously, with the Aoocci, you can put in front and rear cameras, and the C6pro that I've got does come with front and rear cameras. So, although I haven't actually installed them, now the reason I haven't installed them is because I've already got front and rear cameras on this bike, and this isn't going to be permanently linked to the motorcycle. I will be taking it off very shortly when the bike sells. But that said, in the meantime, I've just got the tyre pressure monitors put on the bike. So I'll be able to see what the tyre pressures are shortly, which is actually a really good design. I mean, you can use it with gloves. There you go. Back to that. No, actually, it's on there. Let's go on the home screen. Tyre pressures: 44 psi, 14 degrees at the front, 42 psi at the back, 16 degrees. So it's really, really handy that I can just sit there and monitor my my tyre usage, my tyre pressures, which is another bonus. So that is the one that I did install. I have got the remote as well, but again, on this bike, it's not going to be on here long term, so I'm not going to bother putting it on the bike because I'll only have to take it off again. It's just not worth it. So that is remaining off until I purchase my next motorcycle, and at that point I will install absolutely everything to this motorcycle. But first impressions, honestly, I promise you, I will do a full in-depth review on this later. But I'm not going to show you how to install it. There are hundreds of videos. You put you put your negative onto a negative terminal on the bike. You put your remote switch onto a remote live, and then you just install everything as per normal on the bike, wire it through. It's simple. Take you an hour or two, probably 2 hours, to get everything wired up properly. But I just wanted to give you an idea that, yeah, I've got this running on my motorcycle. It does seem very, very good. Now, the Car Pure Ride one that I had, it was okay. I mean, it was more expensive than this, and I did get gifted it from Biker Stuff. So thank you, Biker Stuff, for giving that to me. And it was great for the time that I had it. However, my bike lives outside all year round. Occasionally, I might bring it into the garden, but the Car Pure Ride died. The screen just couldn't take the water ingress. It was getting hammered throughout winter, and eventually it just completely corrupted and failed on me. It didn't come with security bolts, which the Aoocci does come with security bolts. So yes, you could take this off if you've got the correct tool, but what scropes walk around with the correct tool? Why are you braking? What a pleb. Why would you wouldn't carry those tools around unless you knew what it is. Now, I'm not going to tell you what those tools are because I don't want people knowing. I'm sure you'd be able to find out, no problem at all. But yeah, I'm not going to disclose what its security mechanisms are. But you can rest assured that this can stay on your bike pretty much all the time. You ain't got to worry about it being stolen. Like anything, if a thief wants it, they will get it. That was a stone on my head. But yeah, and it works with gloves. Yeah, I know I've got a touch pad, but I mean, look how ripped up that is. So a full in-depth review of the Aoocci will be coming soon, but it will be coming once I've actually got my new motorcycle. It won't be coming anytime soon. Well, it might be, it depends. Where's Michael? Where is he? No idea. Quite a few adventure bikes, and that is what I'll be looking at soon. Is that Michael up there? No. So, yeah. Right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.